All right, so this is, I don't know what the loop's called. But here's one entrance coming this way. This area up here. So if you come in, here's the road where you turn in, and it's straight ahead. This area seems like a lot of the pads seem pretty flat. If you come in and you come to the right, that is where you kind of start going downhill a little bit. And some of the rigs look like they were pretty not level front to back very well, like pretty high on the front end or back. It was interesting. So not as breezy here as where we're at. I was hoping the trees would block a lot of that wind, but nope. So yeah, so here we go. You're coming around in the corner here. And so you got a couple of, you got a pathway that goes this way, and then another road that goes down this way. But I mean, you still got plenty of space between the different rigs, and which is really, really nice. And that's the one thing about state parks. I like if you look here, see how they're pretty high in the front, and it kind of goes downhill from there, you know. So this doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty flat here, but if you go down that road back there, that's where it kind of gets a little uneven. All right, so there's 88. It's kind of got a slope at the beginning. 91's kind of nice. That's where the gray RV trailer is down there. That one's pretty level in terms of being able to dump. Ours just is not a very good location. Coming up around the corner here, you can see the shelter in front. This one here, 81. No, sorry, 86. So you're still kind of back in, so you're gonna need to pull more forward to get a little bit more level. 85's not bad. The only downfall is over there at the fence. There's the sewer stuff. So we notice, I can smell it now. If you're staying at any of these, you're gonna have, well, that's a park hose, but you're gonna have that sewer smell. It emptied out pretty fast. All right, so this is definitely a lot more level right here. What's that number? 68. So we're kind of going into the middle where the full hookups section is. The entrance is back that way when you come into this section. Park goes here to my left. The one thing you look at here is there's the power line right here. So you do have that if you stay along this side. And that's number 71. Nope, 70. Man, my eyes are bad. 69 over here, super duper long. My only worry is when you pull in is the tree line over here. How tight that can be to get to rig in, but you can always pull forward and back into it. And that would work. If you had a direct line, I mean, yeah, that's not too bad. I've seen worse. Nice and long. And you have that whole side area there. All right, here's 74. This one, I know it slopes down. And so the front of the units with these were really high. So that's 74, so it's probably gonna be 76. Or is it going backwards? Yep, 76. So same thing. I think this one was kind of high on the front. This one's pretty nice here at 77. But you're still kind of on a downward slope here. So you might be kind of high up in the front, depending where you kind of park your rig. Like, yeah, well, it's got a lot of runoff probably when it rains, it looks like here. That's number 79. Here's number 80. That's not too bad, a little bit shorter, but I mean, definitely long enough to get in there. And that's pretty flat. And then 82 here. maybe if you stay towards the back, but here's the downfall, like the door's opening up. You'd have to be back here if you want your door to open up to the picnic table and stuff on the rig. All right, so site 58. Problem with this is right behind us is the entrance and the road coming in. So you kind of got that battle going on. And a lot through this side, there's probably 3 or 4 park hosts. Like we just passed one on the left, but then you come up around the corner, there's like 3 sites set for park hosts. 60's not bad. Shorter, yeah. I mean, the rig could fit on it.
No truck behind it.
Oh yeah. You could pull it up here and then park the truck behind it.
Yeah.
This one looks like you would have a uphill a little bit, unless you lift your sewer line up. That's 62, 61's not too bad. All right, this is kind of the opposite side of our little entrance. So behind us, there's your dump stuff. Not too bad. This one's seems pretty level, a little bit low and then high on the way out. 105, 106. Your sewer's gonna be up further, so what I would do is maybe put the rig here, and then when you leave, move forward and then dump if you don't have one that would reach. And as we make our way around, that one's pretty nice and looks pretty level. 104 would be good. 103. Here's 102. Your longer pieces here, you're pretty short in this back, but it's pretty sloped right here. It's pretty downhill right there, so. And same thing here. This one's pretty level, not too bad. At 101. Again, you can see it's downhill here. That is 100. So your front end's gonna be a little bit higher. And then it looks like you got a trash right here next to this site. And you're across from the park host, so that's not too bad. Do they have a kitty too? All right, so that's number 98. So easy to get in and out, pretty flat and level. I think this is, if this is open when we leave, we'll come back here to dump instead of our site. Then across from it here, here's number 87. It's pretty flat as well. 97, sorry. So downfall on 97 is you're right next to all the electric here. This one's not too bad. It looks like a pretty tight turn as you come around, but a little bit shorter. Tight U-turn here, 96. But all your stuff, you see the bench down there where you would camp. I don't know if that has a tent pad. I know ours does not. Then here's 95, which is right next to where we're staying.